Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises to simplify your cooking routine, the multifunction cooking spoon. This isn't just any spoon, it's advertised as a spatula, a scooper, a scraper, and so much more. Does it live up to the hype, or is it just another tool cluttering up your drawer? Let's find out. The core promise of this multifunction cooking spoon is its versatility. It aims to be the one tool you reach for to handle a variety of tasks, from browning ingredients to serving up your finished meal. This concept of streamlining prep to plate by reducing the number of utensils used is incredibly appealing, especially for those who appreciate efficiency in the kitchen. The idea is that you can use it to break up ground meat while it's browning, then deglaze the pan, and finally scoop and serve. If it can truly accomplish all of that effectively, it could genuinely save you time and reduce your cleanup. One of the most critical aspects of any cooking utensil, especially one designed for high-heat cooking, is its heat resistance. This spoon is made from food-grade silicone and boasts a heat tolerance of up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. This is a significant temperature, well above what you'd typically encounter during sautéing, simmering, or general stirring. This means you can confidently use it in hot pans without worrying about it melting or warping, ensuring reliable performance day after day. For anyone with nonstick cookware, protecting that delicate coating is paramount. This is where the design of this spoon truly shines. Its edges are described as smooth and flexible, which is crucial for avoiding scratches. Furthermore, the flexibility allows it to hug the curves of your bowls, baking dishes, and pans, enabling you to scrape out every last bit of deliciousness without damaging the surfaces. This makes it an everyday win for keeping your cookware in pristine condition. Beyond its functional capabilities, the ergonomics of a kitchen tool play a huge role in how enjoyable it is to use. This multifunction cooking spoon features a contoured handle, designed to offer a confident and comfortable grip. Whether you're stirring a long simmering stew, performing a quick flip, or whisking a silky sauce, a good grip reduces wrist fatigue and allows for greater precision. This attention to user comfort is a welcome detail. And then there's the cleanup. The description highlights a naturally non-stick surface that releases food easily, making it a breeze to clean. A quick rinse or a cycle in the dishwasher is all it should take to keep this cooking spoon spotless and ready for its next culinary adventure. This rinse-clean convenience is a huge selling point for busy cooks. Looking at the specifications, we see it's made from a combination of wood and silicone, with BPA-free material. The acacia wood handles are a nice touch, offering unique wood grain patterns, meaning each spoon will have its own individual character. It weighs a reasonable 4.6 ounces and measures about 11.4 inches long, a good size for most cooking tasks. It's recommended for serving, mixing, and general cooking, which aligns perfectly with its multifunctional design. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the versatility is undeniable. Having one tool that can perform so many functions is a significant advantage for decluttering and simplifying your kitchen. The high heat resistance and non-stick safe design are also major positives, offering durability and protecting your valuable cookware. The ergonomic handle is a thoughtful inclusion for comfort and control. And of course, the ease of cleaning is always a welcome feature. However, there are a few potential cons to consider. While the acacia wood handles add aesthetic appeal and a natural feel, wood can sometimes be less durable and harder to keep perfectly hygienic compared to all silicone or plastic handles, especially if not cared for properly. Also, while the spoon is flexible, its ability to truly brown and break up ingredients might be limited compared to a dedicated spatula designed for those specific tasks. It might excel at scraping and mixing, but for aggressive browning, you might still want a sturdier tool. Lastly, while it's described as a 3-in-1, the actual number of distinct functions it excels at might be a matter of user perception and the type of cooking you do. In conclusion, this multifunction cooking spoon is a well-designed and thoughtfully constructed kitchen tool that largely delivers on its promise of versatility. It's an excellent option for those looking to streamline their kitchen arsenal, protect their non-stick pans, and enjoy a comfortable cooking experience. While it might not entirely replace every specialized spatula you own, it's a strong contender for your go-to utensil for a wide range of everyday cooking tasks. Link in the description.